What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have a video on these two products. So NB is a company who reached out to me about a week or so ago about testing out some of their products or just showing them on the channel. So I looked through and picked a couple items to show off to you guys, and we're going to do that today. So we have their NB NB-10 noise canceling headphones, and then we have their NB-10 fast wireless charging headphone stand. So this is just like a plastic headphone stand that also has a wireless charger at the bottom. So I thought that would be kind of cool to check out. And shout out to NB for sending this stuff out for the channel. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the wireless charging stand first. So we'll get those headphones out of the way. And I have not gotten into or opened any of this stuff yet, so we will be checking it out for the first time together, as you know we do on this channel, and let's get into it. So this headphone stand here, and I'm just double checking to make sure, is about 20 bucks. So you can see it's not going to be, made out of metal or anything like that, and you can feel it's kind of lightweight already. It has a picture of some of their headphones on the packaging, but it says it has fast wireless charging. So if we turn it over to the back, it just kind of has some information. It does say it's aluminum, so we'll check that out. The input is quick charge 2.0 and 3.0. It says it can do 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or 10 watts. Charging distance and charging efficiency. It says the products that you can charge it with, which just you should know anything that's Qi enabled. And then the stand is suitable for most types of headphones because it just hangs on the top. It doesn't, there's nothing proprietary about the way that it sits. So let's see what this looks like, how it feels. Okay, so we have a user manual, which we don't need. We have a cable that looks to be USB, micro USB. Yes, it is. Let's see, decently long. It's probably about 4 feet. And then here's the pad. So this is definitely plastic, obviously. Qi compatible, it says on the bottom, so you can see it has a little rubber spot, and then the bottom has 4 rubber pads. So this is probably something best that's on like let's say a desk, probably, for being able to charge your phone at the same time you keep your headphones there. Probably wouldn't be good for like a nightstand or something, but it's obviously personal preference. So just this little plastic piece just pushes in. There's probably a spot that sort of lines up. Yeah. Let me find it. Okay, so that snaps in like that. And then this snaps in like that. So definitely lightweight, and it's, it is what it is sort of thing. So not the highest quality, but that's okay because it's only 20 bucks. So we're gonna check this out. Plug it into my adapter over here and see what's up. So it looks like there's probably like a little light indicator. Yeah, there's a red light at the bottom of the base. So the purpose of this is to hang your headphones here. All right, so let's take a look. So it doesn't come with the charging brick, by the way. So it's just, you're gonna have to supply your own. So let's see. Perfect, so it lines up nice. The only thing, I guess, is that you have to lay it sideways because you can't really put it like this. So if they're kind of facing you, you have to go to the side, but it's nice. It fits right in where you would expect it, and the light turns blue. So that's pretty cool. Nothing too intense there. So let's check out now the headphones, and then we can also hook them on there. So here's the box, and it just, the top slides right off. And it looks like it comes in one of those pouches sort of that like Bose and things come in now. Obviously a lower grade because these aren't super expensive. Let's see what the price they have these listed for now is. These are $70. It says down from 100. So I'm gonna unzip this here, fold it open. So these kind of look like the old Bose back in the day before they started like the QC 35s and the newer models. They have that like silver metallic color to them. It's like a plastic, obviously. Headband is nice and squishy with like a faux leather material. These are on ear, so they will sit on the edges of your ear. Very soft ear cups, so they feel nice. There's a left and a right indicator, obviously, on the inside, and then on the inside of the bands. It's adjustable pretty far, and they obviously fold in and fold down to fit in this case. These are the perfect kind that I like to take on like a trip or a flight, because I don't have expensive over or on-ear headphones. I typically just use like AirPods for things like that. This says they have NFC, they have active noise cancellation, there's a microphone, there's a plug directly if you run out of battery probably, so you can use them as actual headphones. And then there's volume controls and song controls there too, which is always nice to have. And then you can see probably these grills help with the active noise cancellation when you turn it on, because it kind of creates that negative effect for, you know, noise cancellation. It creates like the opposite sound on the outside so that it can kind of suck out the noise. So I'm going to turn these on real quick and check them out. Let's see. We'll see how they sound. I had connected them earlier. They're pretty comfortable. I don't know how long I could wear them because on-ear headphones tend to bug me, but they're very soft. So they feel like they would be able to last a little bit better. Sound pretty good on normal. Let's try active noise cancellation. So there's a button you can turn it on and off. There it is. So it definitely does suck out the air just like it should. Obviously with headphones like this on the lower end, they are going to be good but not great. But I mean, for what they are and how much they cost, they're surprisingly comfortable. I guess one of the biggest downsides with stuff like this, and you can see, is it's micro USB. So with so much stuff switching to USB-C, it's kind of a bummer whenever I get any product that is micro USB, because those are kind of going away. But I get it. That's usually associated with cheaper items. And then in the box too, you also get a male-to-male audio connection, and then you get a charging cord for micro USB, and then you also get an airplane adapter, which is nice. So this plugs right into like the airplane seat, and then this would plug in to, you know, the audio, and then you would plug that into the headset. So pretty cool. Like the little case, it's nice. This would be perfect kind of thing that if you're not worried, or if you're kind of worried about bringing something expensive, you can bring something like this. So a couple of quick hits on the stats. They say this should last up to 70 hours of playback time, reduces ambient noises by up to 99%. The battery is 1,050 milliamp hours. This uses Bluetooth 4.2. Talk time is over 80 hours. Charging time takes 2 to 3 hours. Those are pretty much the big hits, and then the 40 millimeter drivers are what's in here. So technically what you should be doing is having this on your desk because it's theirs. Set it here, which obviously it works because it's just a stand. It just sits on top. And then your phone would go just like that for charging. And it looks great. I mean, it honestly does. It would be nice and clean sitting on the desk just like that. And that's pretty much all you need. And you can put any headphones you want on these, but I would definitely use these. It's nice to have cheaper sets of headphones like this, honestly, because I don't have to worry about something happening. And if they start to break down or the ear cups start to wear or something, because some of the even better brands don't have replaceable ear cups. And then what? You know, you're out $300 or $400 as opposed to maybe 60 or 70. So shout out again to NB. I'll leave their links down below for both of these products, but also just their website in general. And if you guys have any questions on this stuff, just feel free to reach out. And otherwise, I will catch you next time. Later.